In today's blog, ISO 20022 goes live on March 20, 2023. How will we benefit from this? ISO 20022 is a new global standard for financial messaging that will go live on March 20, 2023. This new standard is set to replace many of the current messaging standards that financial institutions use to exchange transactional data. Here are some potential benefits of the ISO 20022 standard. Improved efficiency. The ISO 20022 standard is designed to streamline financial messaging by providing a common language for communication between different financial institutions. This will reduce the need for multiple message formats and will make the transaction process more efficient. Better data quality. The ISO 20022 standard is expected to improve data quality by providing more detailed and structured data for each transaction. This will help reduce errors and increase the accuracy of financial reporting. Enhanced analytics. The increased data quality provided by ISO 20022 will allow financial institutions to perform more detailed analytics on transactional data. This will provide greater insights into customer behavior, which can be used to develop new products and services. Improved customer experience. The ISO 20022 standard will provide a more consistent and standardized experience for customers who use financial services. This will make it easier for customers to understand their transactions and to track their financial activities. Global adoption. The ISO 20022 standard is being adopted globally, which will improve interoperability between different financial systems around the world. This will make it easier for financial institutions to conduct cross-border transactions and will promote greater financial inclusion. Increased security. Blockchain technology can provide an additional layer of security to financial messaging by using cryptography to ensure that messages are tamper-proof and resistant to cyber attacks. Faster settlement. The use of blockchain technology can enable near-instantaneous settlement of transactions, which can improve the speed and efficiency of financial messaging. Improved transparency. Blockchain technology can provide a transparent and immutable record of financial transactions, which can enhance the auditability and accountability of financial institutions. Cost savings. The use of blockchain technology can reduce the costs associated with financial messaging by eliminating intermediaries and reducing the need for reconciliation. Improved cross-border transactions. The use of blockchain technology with ISO 20022 can enable seamless cross-border transactions by providing a common language for financial messaging and eliminating the need for multiple intermediaries. Overall, the use of blockchain technology with the ISO 20022 standard can provide additional benefits to financial messaging by improving security, speed, transparency, cost savings, and cross-border transactions. It is likely that we will see increased adoption of blockchain technology in the financial industry as the ISO 20022 standard goes live in March 2023. I'm not an expert on blockchain technology. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money in Web 3.0. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.